Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number, and the first one is the way in which you can block the number which is currently applied, currently saved in your contact list, and the second is, let's say, a manual option, so you can simply enter the number. And of course I'll show you both. Let's begin with the contacts. Let's open it, for example, by using the dialer. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. So for example this one. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see, here we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, your device is simply saying that this number is blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So let's enter the blacklist actually, and here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon and enter the settings. Right here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine. We just successfully blocked the number. Of course, as I said, here you can add the number manually, so just tap on add a number, and right now you can simply enter it on the keypad, tap on block, and as you can see it will be applied to the blacklist. What's more, here you've got the option unknown, so after tapping on the switcher you can activate it, so your device will block all unidentified callers. Of course you can turn it off the same way, and if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to the number. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.